Okay, so how do you know it's ready to turn? You just know.
Yeah, you can smell it.
So if you did it any earlier, the fish would have stuck to the bottom, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
So you really cook it.
Yeah.
Because when I first saw you cooking this fish, I was thinking you were burning it.
No, see that?
Ah, look at that.
Perfect. Now we're gonna flip the other one.
Oh, man.
Nice color, eh?
They're golden.
Exactly.
And the flame is really hot, huh?
Yeah, it's gotta be. Else you're gonna lose the consistency. That's how it's done, sir.
Yeah, it's cool, man. The camera's shaking because I'm nodding my head. Yeah, that's really cool, man. 'Cause in the States you cook fish for like 10 minutes at most.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What do you do different here?
yeah. You do it crunchy style.
Yeah.
I think it's easier to eat this way too because
Yeah.
it's like jerky.
Yeah. Jerky style.
So if you were to cook 2 more fish, do you have to put more coconut oil in? Or you just go with what you got?
No, sometimes you have to add more.
You add a little more?
Yeah.
So that coconut oil gives the fish a nice coconut flavor, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a secret ingredient right there.
They want to do